Alright, so I've been noticing some extra noise coming from one of my motors on my 200QX. I've taken it apart a few times, tried to oil the bearings. It hasn't made a difference. So I tried something today that actually took away all of the motor noise. Just involves removing the E-clip like that, taking the top part of the motor off, taking the little shim right here and just placing that on essentially on top of the top bearing instead. Just push that down in there, put this back on like you normally would, like so, and then just replace your E-clip. And that's pretty much it. Hope this helps.